Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be leaving Bermuda Airport and traveling all the way to Oklahoma City to go to the tour stops in Wichita, and then we're building a regional in Wichita too, and we'll probably build some action out there too, some sweepers or whatever we could get, whatever we could build. So this is the airport here, and just traveling with one building bag, getting bulls drilled up out there, and just a carry-on and a regular bag. So in Bermuda, every time we check in bags, building bags, every time we have to go to the oversized baggage, and they check it, make sure there's no bombs, make sure it's all good, and then it will go on the plane. Right now we just got in Atlanta. The pilot was moving 29 minutes before scheduled time he got here. So we're in ATL right now, Atlanta, and we're going to the gate to go to Oklahoma City. Beautiful day in ATL. Sun's out. Just landed in Oklahoma City, headed to the baggage claim, get the balls, get the luggage. All my bags came. Traveling light this time, just with one building bag, makes it very easy. Just waiting for the transportation, and we're here, baby.